Okay, welcome to our regular geometry videos. This is Unit 4, number 73. Alright, the first four terms of each of the following sequences. Okay, seems like some algebra stuff here. So the first four terms, so we said an n is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 3 times 5 to the n minus 1. So when n is 1, we have 1 minus 1, which is 0. 5 to the 0 is 1. Anything to 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. N equals 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 to the 1 power is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. When n is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. When n is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 to the third is 125. And 125 times 3 is 375. So there's our first four terms. 3, 15, 75, 375. I started at n equals 1. I know there's probably a big debate about did you start at n equals 1, did you start at n equals 0? I started at n equals 1. I'll do the previous term here just in case you're the school of thought that would start at n equals 0. If n equals 0, then this would be 5 to the negative 1, which is actually 1/5. And 3 times 1/5 is 3/5. So if you're going to start with n at being 0, then the first term would be 3/5. I started where n equals 1, there's n equals 2, there's n equals 3, and there's n equals 4. Okay, same thing for this one. Let's see, we have the first term. Okay, so they're giving us the first term, that's 10, that was nice of them. And they're saying each subsequent term is negative 5 times the previous one. So the first term is 10. The second term is going to be negative 5 times the first, or previous. So negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. And then the next one after that is going to be negative 5 times that. So negative 5 times negative 50 would be positive 250. And then negative 5 times 250 would be negative, I believe that's 1,250. Let me just double check. It's early in the morning, my mental math is probably not the best here. Yes, 1,250. Okay. So there's that 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to go back, we want to try and find this first term. Well, instead of multiplying by negative 5, we could just divide by negative 5 and see what it was, and so this would end up being negative 2. If you decided to use, n is 0 as the first one. But I think they're starting at 10, negative 50, positive 250, negative 1,250. Okay, if you have any questions about those sequences or how we got those values, feel free to leave a question or comment. Otherwise, you're always welcome to like, subscribe, or share our videos.